Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be filming my first Boxycharm impression. So I just recently signed up with Boxycharm. This is the first box that I've received from them, and I just wanted to share my thoughts with you guys, let you know, is it worth it, kind of compare it to Ipsy because I was a longtime Ipsy member. And yeah, just kind of talk about that. I've opened the box already. I actually just filmed this tutorial using the items I got in the box, so that'll be up on my Instagram if you want to go check that out and kind of see how these products work. But I just kind of wanted to talk about everything and let you guys know, is it worth it? So with that being said, let's just get on in with the video. Okay, so I tried to packet everything back up. The only thing I didn't is the brushes because they came in like this really hard to open Ziploc bag thing. So here is my Boxycharm box. I was waiting for this box to sign up because I had seen some of the stuff that they had in it and I wanted it. Boxycharm is about $20. There is tax. I think it comes out to like 23-ish after everything, so it is significantly more than Ipsy. Ipsy's $10 period. I'm just gonna open the box up and you get a card in it. Basically what this card does is it says their theme and then it tells you about the products that you received, how much they cost. So I'm just gonna go down this and show you guys the products. So the first thing I received was the Cover FX glitter drops in Nova. It says that these are ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed in with foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. And this retails for $44. So already there you're getting your money back. And I have to say, I am in love with these. So even if I didn't like anything else in the box, I'm still getting my money's worth because this is worth $44 and I paid $20 for everything. And I'm already obsessed with these. So I have these on as my highlight today and I am amazed. I never have good luck with liquid luminizers. I've always tried them and they just never work, or like once I set my face, it fades, so I don't really see the point in using them. But I did this after my concealer, before I set my foundation, and I can still see it like beaming through everything. So yeah, I am in love with this. I also used it on my inner corner, my brow bone, and in the center of the halo eye there, and I love them. Like, I can see myself using this all the time, honestly. The next thing I got in the box is the Ace Beauty Grandiose, I don't know how to pronounce it, palette. And I'm not gonna swatch these, but these shadows are amazing. Like, oh my god, they are so good. I 100% will be buying more. Wait, what is this? Ace Beauty, not Ace Beauty. I will 100% be buying more palettes from them. So on the card it says, featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes, your new Grandiose palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. And yes, it has both. So the mattes in this palette were so buttery and creamy and pigmented. I mean, you can tell my eye look came out great. It's super blended and I just really love the choice of colors. I really like this shade a lot. I don't have colors like this in my palette, and also this like metallic pink shade. I feel like all the hot pinks I have are matte, and this palette retails for $24.99. So again, if this was the only thing I liked, I'm already getting my money's worth with the box. Okay, so the next thing I got is the Luxy Luminous Eye Set. I'm a huge fan of Luxy brushes and they're a little more pricey, so I loved getting them like in my Ipsy bag because they're great brushes, but like I said, they're a little on the pricey side, and this set retails for $21. I love the packaging of the brushes and I love Luxy brushes. I wasn't the biggest fan of the set just because it didn't have a very good blending brush. Like you can see this brush here on this side is just a little too small and it's very like doesn't flare out a lot, so it didn't blend too great. I did use all of them. I do have to say my favorite is this one here. This is the mini flat angled brush, and I just liked it because it's really different from any brushes that I have in my collection. I really liked it for my lower lash line, especially with extending it out and connecting the two. I mean, I'm not in love with it, but I'm not mad at it either, especially because it is Luxy Brushes, and I've already gotten my money's worth with the other things in the box. The next item I got is the, I do not know how to pronounce this brand, Jonte Blue, I don't know, glittering star eyeliner. Now, I'm not a huge fan of glitter eyeliners, so I'm not in love with this product, but I did use it on my lower lash line and it's been wearing really well, and I like how it looks. I mean, didn't really leave too much glitter, and I feel like it goes with the look because I do have like a lot of glittery items on, but I'm just not the biggest fan of glitter eyeliners. But again, I'm not mad at it. I've already got my money's worth with the box, and this retails for only $5. The last thing that I got in the box is the Lashaholic lashes in the style Instaglam. So this is the unicarton. I am actually wearing them right now, so that's why you guys can't see what they look like, and these retail for $14.99. I don't hate the lashes. They're definitely not my favorite, just the way that they sit and just the style versus the style of lashes I like. These are really wispy, so it's like short, long the whole way through. I like lashes that start like shorter and then get longer and kind of give that more winged out effect, but I think these lashes look good with the eye look that I did, so again, not mad at it. The total value of my Boxycharm this month was $110. I honestly think it was 100% worth it, and I just want to talk a little bit about Ipsy and just my thoughts and kind of like where I'm going with this. So Ipsy, like I said, it's $10 a month. I was with Ipsy for a really long time and I liked it because it was cheap and I got to try new products, but more often I felt like I wasn't even getting $10 worth with my bag. I didn't hate it. If I had enough money, trust me, I'd sign up for both because I definitely discovered some really cool products through Ipsy, but I didn't feel like spending the money on it anymore because I didn't feel like I was getting $10 or more. You know, you're trying to get more than what you're spending worth, and I never felt like I was doing that. So I signed up for Boxycharm, and I honestly think it's 100% worth it. I was looking through the past boxes and I feel like no matter what, you're gonna get at least your money back with it, but if not more. Like I said, I didn't care for the lashes, the brushes, and the eyeliner that much, but I still like that I got them and I enjoy all three of them. But I can see myself using this palette in the Cover FX drops consistently, and that by itself is $69 worth. So I'm already getting my money's worth with the box. With that being said, I would 100% recommend Boxycharm to anyone. I can't wait to see what I get in the next boxes. I don't think I'm gonna make this like a regular thing where I talk about Boxycharm or what I got unless you guys want to, or I might just keep it on Instagram and do a tutorial with every box that I get. So let me know what you guys want to see, and I pretty much just wanted to say, like, yeah, I 100% think Boxycharm is worth it, especially like you're only spending $10 more compared to Ipsy, but I feel like you're just getting way more or way better things. And like I said, if I could afford both, I'd totally do both. I'm not trying to like put down Ipsy or anything. I'm just saying my experience with them versus my first experience with Boxycharm. I wish I would have just gotten Boxycharm all the time. Yeah, make sure you guys check out my tutorial on this look using everything, especially if you guys want to see how the palette works. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!